Hello everyone, it's happy to see you all in our another vitiligo awareness treatment video. In this vitiligo awareness treatment video, we are going to cover this white patch, and it's going to be the patch test. Patch test is nothing but instead of going ahead and doing it on the overall the body, doing it on a particular place and get to know whether this treatment is going to be successful, so that you can be proceed and getting it done on your remaining places also. That's what it's called as the patch test. So the treatment has been started now. As you can see, this treatment cannot be done by every other people. It requires a special skill so that you can be able to match it up with your exact skin tone, and it will be looks really great. If you guys have any more doubt, or if you wanted to have a one-on-one consultation with our head senior artist Machu sir, you can do contact us. The above displayed number, our team will be sharing you the link to you. You can book a slot, date and time which is convenient for you, and they will be arrange the call consultations with you. If you have any more doubts, we are happy to help you out, and we are really happy to help you out to book an appointment also. In this way, you can achieve a much more better result than the normal thing. And I would like to say one more thing, we can be able to cover it up with the exact skin tone. As you can see, you can't even find out where was the white patch. It will be matched out exactly. That's the beauty about this treatment. You can't even find out a difference between a white patch where it was existing earlier. So the process is happening and it's matching it with the exact skin tone, and the color is coming really good. If you guys have any more doubt, please do contact us. Our team will be help you out to book an appointment. You can come down to our studio also, no problem at all. And many of them having this doubt, if I'm traveling from a different country, I couldn't be able to travel for the second time, third time. So the first time itself, I would like to be go ahead and getting it done on remaining places of my body. Then that's completely under your risk. We recommend you to be go ahead and do the patch test first, but if you would like to go ahead and proceed at the sitting itself, it's completely your risk. We are happy to do that also, no problem at all. But we assure you 80 to 90% of the time people, they will be get the result for this. And sooner we are going to make a lot of review videos about this vitiligo patients also, so you will be get a more confidence, and the people whom you sharing, they will also will be get more confident to get this treatment done from us. And this vitiligo awareness, mainly we are doing it not for the financial or the profit purpose. We mainly want the clients to be get much more better benefits and the outputs regarding this, and we wanted to spread the awareness, and no more way we need to say the goodbye to vitiligo, and we wanted a vitiligo free society, and we want our all your confidence to be back with you all. So that's our the main purpose of doing this treatment. So please share it to all the friends as much as possible, and I have attached our social media links and the website links. Please go check it out. We have a lot of before and after pictures of our vitiligo treatment that will be really helpful for you to take a step forward. And I'm signing off now. I'll meet you guys in the next video, and don't die mute.